Dear students, in our previous videos, we have discussed the important topics of this chapter, the introduction to political theory, and we have already come to know the answer of some important questions and which are the questions may be asked in examination today. I am going to discuss these things through this video, and by this I would like to conclude this chapter. And I think everyone have collected books, and if you have collected this book, then you will find some questions, important questions. After completion of this chapter, you will find some questions, and here it is mentioned the year in which the question was asked. So from this question list or collection of questions, we have to select the questions which have been asked in previous examinations. So I think there are not much more questions in this chapter. So you first see the questions and write down in your notebook, and then try to write the answers of these questions. I'm just telling you which questions are asked in the examination in previous examinations. Question 1, it was asked for 6 marks. Mention 4 marks. Mention 4 main subject matters of scope of political science. We have to write the 4 subject matters which are important in the scope of political science, fallen in the scope of political science. There are lots of subjects, there are lots of topics, subjects are there, subject matters are there, and from which we have to write just only 4. And the next one question is, what are the relationship and difference between political science and economics? So we have to write or discuss the relation in between political science and economics, and it will be better for you if you write the question, the relation between political science and history, relation between political science and anthropology. So I think you will be able to write these questions, and it is given in the book clearly. And whenever our online classes will campus classes will be started, then we'll give you the note. And some other questions are there. Question of short mark questions are there. Who first used the term politics? Answer is the Greek philosopher Aristotle termed the politics first. Then another question is there, history without political science has no fruit. Political science without history has no root. Who said this? This is said by John Seeley. John Seeley said this, and I ask you to write all the questions from your books and write down the answers also, and then submit to me and I'll check. And in the next videos we shall start a new topic. Thank you.